Okay.
Go time?
Go time.
We're going here. You're going around?
Straight back and then around.
We're going that way?
That way and then back.
That way.
Oh, okay.
Straight to the side and then back.
3, 2, 1.
Watch the left and the right. There we go. Oh, that hole is difficult.
Go slow, you got time.
Oh, go forward.
We're lined up right here.
That's good.
Need to come forward here.
I need to come forward.
Ours are on.
They're on.
Front's dead on.
We're hitting over here.
That's where you need to go.
I need to go to my side. Towards me or towards you? It needs to go forward.
To the front.
Forward.
We don't need to move ours.
Yeah.
Ours needed to go back.
Ours needs to go back now.
That's enough for adjustment. We can actually do some adjustments for that.
Put the bolts in loose.
All right, so what was that all about?
That's a body set.
There you
Car's
go.
starting to go back together.
Woo woo!
There you go, Mr. Range.
Body set.
Just got to do some adjusting, and that'll be it, huh? Well done, guys. All right, Spooky, show us what's going on in the shop.
Well, you just.
Yeah, well, that's one thing. You always got more than one thing going on.
So I'm working on polishing up the doors, and then I got to prep that, the deck lid, engine cover, sorry,
Okay.
for its glamour clear, and I got to prep the hood for its glamour clear, and I've got to prep the fenders for their undershoot. So,
A lot of prep.
yeah, a lot of prep. So I'm going to be probably shooting this weekend on that stuff.
Sounds
just because my wife's going to be up visiting her kids.
Yes, I am.
So,
All right.
Cabral.
Ooh. Oh, we got curtains. It's curtains for Cabral. Wow.
Darren's been working on this. The trim panels are in. Alex is going to start doing, wrapping up the electrical on this one.
Okay.
Next week.
Those curtains are adorable.
Yeah. Even match the buzz.
I know. It's like a little house on wheels.
Then we've got
What's going on with Christine?
Christine has gotten her metal done. So probably next week I'm going to start doing a faux patina on this panel.
Okay.
So we're not going to match this, but we're going to get it close. So
Wow.
it's sort of going to look like it should be there.
That sounds kind of fun.
I'll do some extra rust later, so I'll be stealing some vinegar from the house.
That's coming
It'll be a fun
along.
little project.
Yeah, that's coming
We're just
along.
waiting on a steering box to come back from the rebuilders.
Okay.
We are having some delays in our
Little supply chain. Yeah.
So,
You gonna put in that one or that?
and then you can go ask the guys what they're
Well,
playing with.
sure.
Well, do you want me to, what else you got on? Well, yeah, I need you to go.
What are you up to, Shannon?
Fixing to start bolting down and finish the set on the body for Mr. Range.
Ah.
And fixing to set this with the windshield for Mr. Campbell's car.
Okay. That's the gray one.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
That's a little gray one, yeah.
Very
Cute little
good.
gray one.
Yeah. Alex, what are you doing? Yeah.
I'm just gonna set this out of the webcam. Turn the key on, and if you look right here,
He went racing on
They work. Yay! That's amazing.
yeah, and this is essentially a completely custom window regulator.
Yeah. What's happening with the tint? That one's getting replaced.
This is my
right?
practice glass. So
Good.
that we
All right.
don't scratch the good glass.
That's smart. Okay. I was like,
Because you already
oh.
scratched it once. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I had something.
do that windshield?
I had something inside on the original glass when I had the
Oh.
manual regulator in it. Put a little tiny scratch
Yeah.
in the tip, so I was like,
Well,
I
now we
need
got to
something
practice.
Make sure I got all my scratchy bits sanded down
Scratchy
and knocked
bits.
away.
Yeah, good. Wow, that's really coming along. Yay.
Yeah,
Getting there.
hopefully-
Getting there, Mr. Gazzo.
Hopefully we'll have the other door together by the end of tomorrow and
Okay.
then go on.
Fantastic. That's looking good.
Thank you.
All right. What are you doing, Stone?
Getting stuff ready to change out the windshield and camera.
To what?
Getting ready to swap out windshields and camera.
Oh.
They're starting to delaminate and
Okay.
figure do it while we got it.
Well, sure. Great.
Leave it out in the sun.
So you're popping out a windshield and replacing it?
Yep, that's the plan.
That's the plan. I like the plan.
Gotta prep the new windshield first.
Yeah, his old windshield, the lamination coming apart on it, so
Oh, all right.
yeah, down at the bottom.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. New windshield, he'll be good to go.
Man, this would be nice.
Oh yeah. It'll be pretty nice.
Thanks, guys.
Uh-huh.